Hello viewers, today I am telling you about the history of Japanese automobile industry. Automobile industry is very important in the world development. Japanese automobile industry is one of the well-known and largest industries in the world. Japanese automobiles industry no doubt is a miracle. Japanese automakers always focus on product enhancement, technological innovation, and safety improvement by manufacturing vehicles that are reliable, safe, and tough. Japanese makers are ruling the hearts of the millions of the people of the world. From modest origin, today the Japanese auto industry has grown into one of the most respected and popular manufacturing industries in the world. Yes, all you know, the increase in demand for Japanese vehicles has increased the competition among vehicle manufacturers. To know about the success of Japan automobile industry, let's learn from where they have started their journey. First of all, this is the history and the remarkable history, I think. The first entirely Japanese made car was manufactured by Komatsu in 1907. In 1904, Torao Yamaha built the first Japanese made bus with the again Yamaha built the first Japanese made bus with the seating capacity of 10 people. After the end of World War I, large number of companies with the support of the government and the Imperial Army started manufacturing military trucks. It was the necessity then. That eventually results in the starting automobile companies such as Toyota, Nissan, and marked the beginning of Japanese automobile industry. Toyota Jidoshoki, a weaving company, founded its automobile department in 1933 and named it Toyota. In the same year, Nissan was established by a growing company and named Nihon Sengyo. During the World War II, the automobile department of Japan was mainly in the production of military and industrial trucks, buses. After the World War II, Japanese companies were allowed. Yes, Japanese companies were allowed to. After the World War II, Japanese companies were allowed to produce only a limited number of trucks, as there was no necessity then. Toyota, during that period, lost almost all its assets and went bankrupt. During Korean War, contracts were given to the company of military vehicle and repair. This helped Toyota to survive the crisis. During 1955, the production of cars by Japanese makers increases. At the same time, the restriction was imposed on importation of vehicles by the government. Since the Japan's car market at the particular time was not very vast, thus many countries did not oppose the restriction. Under the guidance of the Ministry of International Trade and Industry, this helps the Japanese to build a new structure of cars, auto cars. Japanese vehicles were not so popular, but eventually, due to their superb quality and low prices, these vehicles began to make their place. Consequently, in 1973, oil crisis increased the popularity of Japanese cars in the global market. as vehicles developed by them have similar engine and are fuel efficient. During 1970, it was again a new year and the new decade. Popularity of Japan vehicles increased in Britain and US. Mitsubishi and Honda are popular Japanese brands in the US, while in Britain, Nissan became a popular maker. During this period, the export of the car were real high. By manufacturing cost-effective and affordable vehicle by the year 2000, Japan became one of the largest vehicle manufacturing nations across the world. Even though with the competition from South Korea, China, India, and many other countries, Japan car industry continued to thrive. It was their big movement after the 1990s. During Japan's long recession period, the automobile industry continued to maintain its international competitions. This was due to Japanese automakers' production approaches and development plan. All you know, Japanese makers are leading in every aspect of automobile, made technology, sales, production. Around 6 out of 10 leading car makers in the world are Japanese makers. Likewise, Nissan Motorway Company Limited, Mitsubishi, Suzuki, and others are also major automobile producers in Japan. The Japan automobile industry is known across the world for its innovative ideas, interactive and attractive design, quality, and use of latest technology. There is no doubt these Japanese vehicles are clearly leading to the race to capitalize on the automobile market of various countries. These are sufficient information. Next, we will meet you in the next video for other technical video. Thank you. Goodbye.